take a picture of me with this weight, 85.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Post that on my Instagram.
You're not lifting those?
This is the real workout. That was just for Instagram. Woo! Baby, yeah. Woo! Hi, it's Habib. Before you watch the video, try not to watch it near your parents and try your best to wear headphones because there's a lot of sexual noises. What? If you guys go to the gym, then you know guys like grunting when they're working out, like this. Oh yeah! Yeah! So instead of grunting, we're gonna be moaning in the gym like this. Baby, yeah! Woo! Ooh la la! Wee 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 wee. I hope you guys watch the full video and enjoy watching the full video. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Baby, yeah! Oh man! Oh man! Yeah, that's right, man! 80, help me out, bro. Ooh, E. Oh, God. God. Wee. Ooh. Wee. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Excuse me, ladies. Am I doing this properly? What's wrong?
I'm working out.
Oh.
25. 85. 10,000. Yeah, am I doing it right?
So you're expecting me to wait for you to do that while I'm trying to get my workout?
No, I'm getting my calf workout in. Am I doing it correctly? No?
Oh my God, are you gonna
Wee, 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 wee. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
2. Come on. Give me one more. 3. I can't.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You got this. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. This is amazing. You got it. Oh, yeah.
You want me to show you the proper way to utilize the mechanics of the forearm? If you make the sound, you get 20 pounds of muscle in one night. And you get ripped abs. And you have to go like this with your knees. And then you have to go like this. And you have to fly like a bird. And then you go like this. And you catch it. Try that right there. Let's do it together, come on.
Oh, yeah. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. Oh, yeah. Brother, I didn't know workout feels this amazing. Woo. I think I'm done. How do you stop this thing? I hope this video made you laugh, and if you guys didn't see the prank that I did on my little brother with drugs, then go ahead and check it out and show some love, like sharing it and smashing the like button. Also, there's a new channel on YouTube, it's called King Rock's Vlogs. He does amazing vlogs, so just go check it out. That sounded like a poetry. I'm a poet. I'll see you next week. I have amazing videos ready for you guys, so I'll see you Wednesday. Until next time.